Louise Redknapp has revealed the newest member of her family, a cute new puppy. The singer and ex-husband Jamie were devastated last month when their dog Blue died, but the star has now welcomed an adorable bulldog called Banksy Blu. 4. Louise Redknapp has introduced the newest member of her family credit, Getty. 4. Banksy Blu has joined their household a month after the death of Blue Credit, Instagram. Louise, 47, shared a lively video of Banksy Blu settling in, and wrote, "We were so devastated losing our girl Bluebell a few weeks ago, and we really noticed a change in Rudy's behavior, so we decided a little brother might be what he needs. Say hello to Banksy Blu. He's definitely settled in, Blue Heart, at colorbulls_UK. What a beaut he is." Blue was one of two dogs former footballer Jamie, 48, and ex-Louise shared with their sons Charlie, 16, and Beau, 12. At the time of Blue's passing, the TV pundit was on his first family holiday with newborn son Raphael and wife Frida. On Instagram, he wrote across a snap of the Blue walking through a park, "Goodbye beautiful girl, we will miss you so much," broken heart emoji. Blue, love heart emoji. Mom of two Louise announced the death of their Shar-Pei, writing an emotional tribute which read, "I am absolutely heartbroken that we had to say goodbye to our little girl Blue early this morning. I am going to miss you so much my darling girl, you're escaping through the fence, chasing the squirrels out of the garden, our long walks in the woods watching you run carefree, going upstairs when we say bedtime and getting on mummy's bed instead of in your own, and most of all your kisses and cuddles every day. I wanted to share this with you because I know so many of you follow their Insta page and loved seeing what Blue and Rudy were up to and loved them as much as we did. We'll miss you so much, sleep tight our gorgeous bluebells," she continued. "Love you forever mommy, Chaz, and Beau Post-Reflex." 4. Shar-Pei Blue died at the beginning of February. Credit, Instagram. 4. Blue belonged to both Louise and her ex Jamie. Credit, Getty. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.